So today's topic it's called matching conditions with number sets. Adenu I'll explain it to you. It's called matching conditions with number sets. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 4 to 5 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 4 to 5 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 5 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಚ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ number series and options type rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4 ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಗಿವೆನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಐಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. So there are 5 rules here. Okay, so rule 1 is multiply the number by 5 and add 5 to the result. Okay. Multiply the number by 5 and add 5 to the result. Andre, what does this mean? If that number, any number, if I take the number as n, multiply the number by 5 and then add 5 to it, Andre, it will become 5n plus 5. Correct? If idu n, it is any number. Okay, so ee rule enu multiply number by 5 and add 5 to the result. So it will become multiply number by 5 is 5n, add 5 to the result andre plus 5. Idu artha aita why how I wrote it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the first rule. Second condition or second rule is divide the number by 4 and add square of quotient to the number. Divide number by 4 and add square of quotient to the number. So it is a little complicated. So ee tara one simple equation alli we cannot represent it. It's not we cannot, it's not like we cannot, we can, but ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ what do you say, it will be a big equation. ಅದು confusing ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Just a simple understanding ಏನು, any number if you take, first you should divide it by 4 and add square of quotient. Andre now suppose I take 8 as my number. What is 8 divided by 4? 2. So quotient is 2, correct? What is the quotient here? 8 divided by 4 only 2 is the quotient. So divide the number by 4 and add square of quotient to the number. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ number ಏನು 8. Okay, 8 plus 8 divided by 4 andre 2. Square of quotient. What is square of 2? 2 square ಏನು
4.
8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 12. So ಈ ತರ this is the meaning, okay, of this rule.
Yes.
Yeah. So coming to the third rule, add the number to its square. Very simple. Add the number to its square. So if I take the number as n, again same thing, add the number to its square. Andre first n square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and then add the same number to it. So it will become n square plus n. Understood this one? Add the number to its square. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ಇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the fourth rule, multiply the number by 3 and subtract 2 from the result. Multiply number by 3 and subtract 2 from the result. So idu try ಮಾಡಿ. How will I write it as an equation? ಇವಾಗ first rule ನೋಡಿ. What is the first rule? Multiply number by 5 and add 5 to the result. So ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5n plus 5. So idu try ಮಾಡಿ. Multiply the number by 3 and subtract 2 from the result. So equation ಏನು? What is the equation here?
3n minus 2.
Correct. 3n minus 2. 3n andre multiply the number by 3 and subtract 2 from the result. So 3n minus 2. Last rule or last condition is subtract twice the number from its square. Subtract twice the number from its square. Andre first number you should square it and then twice the number andre what is the meaning? Double means into 2. Twice means into 2, okay, or double. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ subtract twice the number from its square means first square ಮಾಡಬೇಕು n square and then you should subtract what? Twice the number n square minus 2n. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is only the question. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ 5 rules ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 5 conditions. So now ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು one passage. Okay, consider it as a passage. Now based on this we will have questions. Okay, so first question ಅಲ್ಲಿ series is 20, 72, 272 and 1056. This is the series. Okay, so ivaga what should we do? Illi 5 conditions ide. We should find out which condition this series is following or which rule this series is following. Artha aita? Did everyone understand what the question is?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so illi we should just follow step by step. Ivaga first let us check with the first rule. First rule ಏನು? 5n plus 5. Now let us check. First number ಏನು? 20 ಅಲ್ವಾ? Let us check 5n plus 5 equal to 20. n 5n is equal to 20 minus 5 15. n is equal to 3. So for n is equal to 3, 5n plus 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are getting 20. So next after n is equal to 3 n check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n is equal to 4, correct? For n is equal to 4, what is 5n plus 5? Tell me the answer. 25. But is it matching? ಇಲ್ಲಿ next number ಏನಿದೆ? 72. So obviously it is not following rule 1. Rule 1 is not, condition 1 is not correct. Okay, so now we'll check with second condition. Second condition ಏನು? Divide the number by 4. Okay, 20 divided by 4 andre 4 5s are 20, correct? So divide the number by 4 and add square of the quotient to the number. Quotient ಏನು? What is the quotient here? 5. And number andre here what is the number we are taking? 20. So 20 ge you should add square of quotient. What is square of quotient? What is 5 square?
25.
What is 25 plus 20?
45.
Is it matching?
No, ma'am.
No. So
No, ma'am.
rule 2 is also wrong. Okay. Next, let us check with the next rule. What is the next rule? N square plus 1. So, if you put equal to 20, idu quadratic equation alva, andre square is there, so it will be tough to solve. So, to complicate, let us not do it. One by one, from n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, like that, we'll go on checking, okay? So, quickly, for n is equal to 1, what is n square plus n? N square plus n is 1 square plus 1, which is 2, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for n is equal to 2, what is n square plus 2? 2 square plus 2.
4.
No, check again. 2 square plus 2. 2 square is 2 square plus 2. Andre 4 plus 2, 6.
Ma'am, 6.
Yes. For n is equal to 3, n square plus n. 3 square plus 3. What is 3 square?
12.
Yeah, 3 square is 9. So 9 plus 3 is 12. N is equal to 4. What is the answer? N square plus n. What is 4 square?
20.
Yeah, 16 plus 4, 20. So match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Andre, this first one is for n is equal to 4. Okay. Now, we'll continue checking. N is equal to 5. What is n is equal to 5? N square plus n. What is 5 square? 25. 25 plus 5, 30. Okay, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಫಾರ್ n is equal to 5, it is not matching. Check for n is equal to 6. What is n square plus n? 6 square is 36. 36 plus 6?
41. 42.
42. N is equal to 7. What is it? N square plus n. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 7?
56.
56. N is equal to 8. What is n square plus n? 8 square is 8 into 8, 64. What is 64 plus 8?
72.
72. Nodi match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. See? So for 20, it is n is equal to 4. For 72, it is n is equal to 8. So itara if we check, pattern ಇದೆ. So if we continue, it will take a lot of time. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು if you practice more questions, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ idea ಬರುತ್ತೆ what is the rule followed here. So actually ಇಲ್ಲಿ rule ಏನು, first n is equal to 4, okay, 20 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next for n is equal to 8, you're getting 72. 272 ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. For n is equal to 16, n is equal to 16 ಗೆ 272 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಏನು, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16. Yes, ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ದಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ okay, so it is following the third rule. Andre, what is the third rule? Add the number to its square, n square plus n. Okay, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll do the next one. Question is this is the question.
90.
Okay, so same thing, we'll start. First rule, 5n plus 5 is equal to 10. So 5n is equal to 10 minus 5, 5. N is equal to 1. Okay, so now for n is equal to 2, what is 5n plus 5? 5 into 2 is to 10. What is 10 plus 5?
15.
50.
Is it matching? No, because the next number is 22. So rule 1 is also not correct. Rule 2, Nodi, divide the number by 4 and square of quotient to the add square of quotient to the number. So first of all, here 10 is not what do you say, perfectly divisible by 4, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Rule 2 is not applicable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rule 3 check ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ previous question ಅಲ್ಲಿ we checked, correct? So ಈ numbers ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, 10, 22, 46, 94, anywhere that number won't come. So rule 3 is also wrong. ಇದು ನೀವು ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್. ರೂಲ್ 3 is also wrong. Let us check for rule 4. 3n minus 2 is equal to 10. 3n is equal to 10 plus 2, 12.
Plus 2.
So what is n?
12.
12 divided by 3, what is it?
4.
Correct. So now for n is equal to
Minus 2 is equal to 10.
almost all the questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 4, 8, 16, 32 ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ n is equal to 8. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? n is equal to 4, next we took n is equal to 8, then n equal to 16, like that it followed. Even now we'll check with the same thing. n is equal to 4, if you take 3n minus 2 is 10. For n is equal to 8, what is 3n minus 2?
1.
No, check it. No, wait. n is equal to 8. What is 3 into n minus 2? Not 3 minus 2. 3 into n
8.
minus 2. So what is first one? Step by step we'll do it. What is 3n? What is 3 into 8?
24.
24. 24 minus 2?
22.
22. Answer match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, correct? Nodi, first number 10, next number 22 for n is equal to 8. Now we'll check for n is equal to 16. What is 3 into n minus 2? 3n minus 2 andre illi what is n here? n is 16. So what is 3 into 16?
20.
Or 16 into 3 check ಮಾಡಿ. 16 into 3 is 48. What is 48 minus 2?
46.
46. Is it matching?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So next number ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What will be next? Here n is 4, n is 8, n is 8, n is 16. So here n is 32. What is 3n minus 2? 3 minus 2. 3 into 32. 32 into 3 is 96. 96 minus 2 is
94.
94. Correct. So it is matching. So what is the answer for this question? Which condition is it following? Which condition? If 5 conditions are leave, which condition is it following?
3n minus 2.
3n minus 2. Andre, which option? Option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ali, which option?
4.
Yes. So rule number
Option
4.
4.
It is following. Correct. Okay. Okay. And anyways, ಈಗ next questions ಅದು big passage ಇವಾಗ complete ಆಗಲ್ಲ because there is very less time. But ಇದು question pattern ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ತರ same it almost all the questions ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Only thing is rules. These rules change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So here we have some rules. In some other question, some other rules will be given. So adu ನೀವು question check ಮಾಡಿ you should answer. You should answer. Okay. So question pattern will always be the same. So ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Did everyone understand this? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So one thing ಇಲ್ಲಿ n value order ಅಲ್ಲಿ follow ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay. n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. ಈ ತರಾನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ there is no rule. Okay, it can be anything. It can be like this. It can also be n is equal to 4, 8, 16, 32. It can also be even number and odd number. Okay, it can be n is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on, or it can also be n is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. So pattern can be anything. Okay, so you should check it in the exam which pattern it is following. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so any doubt? No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's it for today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.